Hey, ladies and gentlemen, right now I want to talk to you about how to contact me and how to write a proper email. There are a number of ways to contact me written in the syllabus. You can call the school, but my two preferred methods are going to be through Google Classroom or through email. So let's take a look at Google Classroom really quick. Obviously, this is not your Google Classroom. Uh, my side as a teacher looks different than your side as a student. So this is one that I am enrolled in as a student. This would be an old senior project classroom. But what I want you to look at, you can type something here and share it with everybody. Now, a lot of people like to use that. If you're trying to get in contact with me, the best method would be to find the topic that you're having trouble with. For instance, if you want to comment on a post I made saying when something is due and you were curious, right here, it says comments, you can say, Mr. Lacconi, which by the way, that is a capital C. Always check for corrections. When is that assignment due? And you can send it. And everybody will be able to see your comment, by the way. This is a shared form. Right? And that's a good thing because everyone else may have the same question. You might be the hero of the day. And when I answer it, everyone will see the answer. This is if it's just a random comment I made. But if it's an assignment like this one, you will notice that it does not have that comment bar. It's still there. You just have to click on it, and here it is. And then you can ask your question, Mr. Lacconi, when is this assignment due? Mr. Lacconi, what did you mean by direction number 5? Mr. Lacconi, can you clarify this? Right? And like I said, everybody will be able to see your comment here. If you are uncomfortable with that, you can email me. So let's take a look at that. An email is not directly connected to the topic we're talking about like it is on Google Classroom. So you are actually going to have to clarify what it is you're talking about. So let's start at the top. First, my basic rule of thumb is do not address it yet. Yeah, that's weird, right? That's usually the first thing you do. Don't. I have found that you are more likely to send off your mistakes really fast if you already have the address put in. But if you leave it blank and you have to go back and write it, you're more likely to catch your mistakes down here while you're typing this. So do this part last. For the subject line, I get a lot of people who make mistakes. They like to write the entire message right here in the subject. I'm not reading your message there. It gets cut off. I'm not going to get the whole thing. Keep your subject line short and sweet. Right? Make it easy for me to know what you're talking about. This is how I would be searching through here if I need to get back to you. I can find your subject nice and easy. So keep it simple. Homework help. And if you'd be really helpful to me, put in the date. Or put the actual topic. Homework help. How to write an email. Something simple, something quick. This is not your message, this is just a topic. Your message is going to be down here. And a lot of people like to just treat it like they're talking to their friend on a text message. Guys, I am not your friend, I'm your teacher. I'm friendly, but I'm not your friend. This is not a text message. This is a professional email. Your greeting. You're going to want to tell me the basics of what you're talking about. So start off with, hello, Mr. Lacconi, comma, or greetings, Mr. Lacconi. Good afternoon, Mr. Lacconi, whatever you like. And then start with what it is you're here to talk about. I am writing to ask about blah, blah, blah. Or I would like clarification on blah, blah, blah. Keep it short and to the point, and then go into what your question is. I did not understand what you meant when in this part of the directions. Could you please clarify that? Whatever you want to ask. And A conclusion. Yes, guys, an actual conclusion, just like you're writing a paper. Here though, you're not reciting everything you just said. You are going to let me know what kind of actions you would expect. What steps would you like me to take? Please email me at your earliest convenience. Right? See, you're telling me what you would expect done without being rude. Or would you be available to explain this via Google Meet? Again, it is an expectation. I know what you are comfortable with and how you would like this handled, and we can work something out. And then you are going to write who this is from. Sincerely, student A. Or if you don't like that, that's fine. Just student A. That is just as good for me. Okay? All right, so you guys do have an assignment today. I want you to write me a proper email. I don't care what you write about. You can ask me a question about something. You can say, hi, hello, I'm writing to say hello to you. Tell me about your day. Tell me about your summer. Tell me anything. Just keep it appropriate. All right? I just want to see that you can communicate with me properly. All right? Excellent. I will see you in the next video.